Hello and welcome to Cocktail Creations at Sanchez Bistro. Have you been naughty or nice this Christmas season? It's time to find out today with a delicious Brandy Manhattan rendition of a Vermouth, a classic New Orleans cocktail. For the nice version, if you've been nice this Christmas season, we're going to be using 0.75 ounces of B&B, which is Brandy and Benedictine, followed up by 0.75 ounces of Soul Cry Rye, which is a local from Beer Distillery with some delicious earthy rye notes. Last but not least, we'll be using half an ounce of the Spanish Vermut, which is our choice for vermouth, and 2 dashes of these black walnut bitters. An appropriate substitution for these bitters would be Angostura. Additionally, a suitable replacement for B&B would be a straight brandy, bettered by any Benedictine you might have on hand. Now, if you've been naughty this Christmas season, we're going to be skipping the sweet, spicy B&B and replacing it with Romate or any other brandy that's more true to the stiff brandy taste. Forget the sweet and spice if you've been naughty this year. Now, for the build a cocktail, we're doing 0.75 of our B&B Brandy and Benedictine, 0.75 of our Soul Cry Rye, delicious earthy notes, half an ounce of our Vermouth, Casamarillo, and we're going to finish this off with 2 dashes of our black walnut bitters. Give this cocktail a solid 10 to 20 second stir, blending those delicious flavors together. The ice cubes being stirred also help water the cocktail down and take away those stiff brandy notes. Straining our cocktail into our shot and pop with a big ice cube. Now, the choice of the large ice is primarily because the large ice cube melts less quickly and it dilutes and helps preserve our cocktail for even longer. Now, taking a orange twist for a delicious citrus note, we have our final creation, the nice version of Naughty or Nice. Delicious. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you for watching.